Hi everyone, welcome back to DevOps Bunker. In this video, we are going to discuss about GitHub Repo settings and how to use them efficiently. So let's start. Here I have a repository here already called demo. So let's go to settings here. And the first one is collaborators and teams. This is the place where we can actually remove the members or the teams and add the members or the teams here. If you want to add any member here, just come here, click on add people and select DevOps Bunker 2. So here you can also mention the roles. I am giving you right because I want him to contribute to this repository. So that's why I have selected right. Click on add selection. So in the same way, you can add the teams as well. Click on teams and mention the team name that will be visible here and you can add it. Next one is branches. So if you want to restrict branches here, then you can set the rules here. Add branch rule set. I'm setting up the restriction for main branch. Here, who can bypass this one? So if you set this one, organization admin can bypass this one, then this will not be applicable for organization admin. Select one. So this one, add the target, which branch or which pattern you want to restrict. I'm just selecting main branch here, or else if you want to restrict to releases, then you can mention something like this. This is a wildcat pattern, so that it will be applicable for all the pattern matched branches. Add inclusion. So here there are some options on which basis you want to merge it with main branch. So here before merging there is a pull request here. Require a pull request before merging. In this case you will be needing you have to raise one pull request. Then you need to get the approval from the reviewer. Then only that branch will be merged. There are few options here. You can explore on them. Okay. So I'm going to next one. Next one is actions general. Actions permissions allow all actions and reusable workflows. That means any action or reusable workflow can be used in this repository regardless of who authored it or where it is defined. If you don't want to allow that, then you can disable it. And this one is allow DevOps bunker org actions and reusable workflows. Any action or reusable workflow defined in a repository within DevOps bunker organization can be used. Whatever the workflows we have in this repository can be used within this organization. The next one is artifact and log retention. So if you set it for 90 days, the artifacts and logs will be deleted after 90 days. Here there is a, by default, there is a token GitHub underscore token. This contains elevated permissions for packages, permissions, and repository content. The next one is runners. Here there are two types of runners. One is GitHub runner and another one is self-hosted runner. Here, if you want to configure self-hosted runner for your repository, then you have to come here and select new self-hosted runner. Then you can configure it. When that is connected, you will be able to see that runner here. Next one is webhook, which is important. So this service will allow you to send notifications to the external services like Teams, Slack, some other applications also might be there. Environments. Here, this is the place where you can create multiple environments like prod, SIT, or QA. The same environments you can be using it in your workflows. So next one is pages. This is the place where you can actually create the documentation for your project and publish it to the external users. Advanced security. Here there are security related options are there. You can explore on them. The first one is depend about alerts is if you enable this one, there is a workflow action which will be fetch all the vulnerability code for your repository. So deploy keys. Here you can add the SSH keys of your servers but be careful while doing that. This is very important. Secrets and variables. Click on actions. If you want to create a secret or variable for GitHub Actions, then you have to come here and create a new repository here. Sorry, new secret. Then mention the name. In the same way, you have to create a variable also. But these variables and secrets are only for actions. But if you want to create it for code spaces, then you have to create explicitly here. In the same way, depend about GitHub apps. This is basically whenever the user want to connect to the external services or external applications, then they can raise a request to the GitHub. Then that request will be visible here. We will GitHub organization administrator will analyze that whether it is okay to approve or not. If it is okay, then he will approve. Otherwise, he can ignore that or deny that. Next one is email notifications. This is the place where you can set the notifications to whenever GitHub Action fail or whenever pull request comes. Then you can send out the notifications to the mentioned users here. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.